In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Crypto.com. So there's basically two ways to do this. The first one is send crypto. The second one is send money as you would from any other bank. So I'll show you both. So the first one, to just send money, you go to accounts on Crypto.com, then open up your fiat wallet, which for me is euro, click deposit, and then select from bank transfer, and you will then get some transfer details. So go and copy your IBAN and open up Revolut. On Revolut, go to Payments and click plus in the top right. Then select a bank. Now here I cannot screen record this, but basically what you need to do here is then paste in the IBAN, and for the name, set it to your name if it's your Crypto.com account. And then you can simply make a payment to that IBAN account, and it will then go into your fiat wallet right here on Crypto.com. But the second way to transfer money is by using crypto, because Revolut also supports crypto. So on Revolut, go to crypto in the bottom. Then if you already own some, you can just click send. Then click send crypto. Then click on plus in the top right. Select crypto. And now you will need to add a wallet address. So I was sending XRP since that's the currency I owned on Revolut. So then here on Crypto.com, you just go to the home screen, click deposit, select tokens, and select the same cryptocurrency, so in this case Ripple or XRP. Select the network, which in this case is also XRP, and then just take your wallet address, and in this case also destination tag, which you have for XRP, and then paste that in on Revolut, and then you can also transfer money that way. So now you know how to transfer money from Revolut to Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.